Hello. In this video, I'm going to go through the process of listing your own token on the Sologenic market index. Let's get started. First, you gotta head to Token Dashboard. Here, you will be able to see all the listings that you've done in the past and the status. For example, here we have a few ones that have already been published, and we're going to proceed to list a new one by clicking in List Your Token. So to start off with the process, keep in mind there's only two mandatory sections, which are the description and the team members. So first, we have to provide the basic information for the token to be listed, which is the currency code, symbol, the issuer address, and the name we want to be displayed. For testing purposes, I'm going to list USDC. So I just added all of the information in that regards. And now I can proceed to input a short description, select a category which best fits the token, in this case the stablecoin, and then provide some tags that might give us a broader insight of what the project behind the token does. From here, you can add a link to the official website or the social medias of the project, and don't forget to upload a logo image. In the next section, you can provide some basic information about the team members to increase trust in your project. Now, the following sections are optional, but they definitely provide a lot of valuable information for users that are just discovering the project. You can add a dedicated roadmap with multiple milestones and accomplishments within each milestone. And you can include the tokenomics information, which will be displayed in a very dynamic way. And you can assign a color to each percentage. Just make sure that at the end, all of the parts add up to 100%. And when you're done with each section, you can actually save your progress and continue with the listing process on a later time. Once you have completed all sections and you're ready to move forward, just click on Publish. And that's it. All of the information will be showcased in an organized manner on the listing page of your token.